what is this channel doing now? We are still gearing up and heading out to remote places on roads not often travelled. West to the Blue Mountains, its lookouts and waterfalls. Using the method we developed during the making of the 15 episodes of the Nepean, we have made this adventure a multi-episode series. This will be your exclusive guide to the Blue Mountains. We have identified over 180 locations to visit. We have still got a lot of work to do. Come along and watch us stumble around. If we can do it, so can you. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified when next we take to the road.